there you have it. Everybody wants to know what a big horsepower SDI, well, looks like and sounds like. This is a video on the update of this particular car that we built several years ago. You'll see some of our other recent videos where we've done some updates with the fuel system, running a Process West remote fuel catch can system in the back of the car. What we're going to talk about in this video is what we've now achieved with up the boost on the car, because the previous tune that we did quite a few years ago was very, very conservative, but we're actually now reaching some of the mechanical limits of the overall package. It's got a twin plate clutch, it's a 2.6 stroke, Cosworth heads, all the fruit inside it. Check out our other videos where we go into detail, but for all intents and purposes, we're now talking a genuine 471 kilowatts at the wheels at 6,750 RPM and over 690 Newton meters of torque at 4,500. We'll drop this dyno graph into the video so you can look at what I'm actually reading to you now. The previous runs you can see on this particular dyno graph was when we were running the car on the low boost setting at only 24 PSI boost. Now this particular car now, we've tuned it and run it on 30 PSI, and you go, well, why have we now changed it? Well, previous years the client was very, very happy with the power, knew he had plenty up his sleeve, and we're running aqueous water injection on 98 octane fuel. You gotta remember, this car's not running E85. And so he then said, well, let's see what we can do. Change the fuel pump, because the previous pump was quite noisy. The new Process West one is really good. And as you can see in the engine bay, it's got a water injection system, but we've now achieved so much grunt and power with the injection system and all the other parts that we're running on it. We don't have to run the aqueous water injection, so we've exceeded the previous power by a lot just on 98 octane fuel, and we haven't even turned the water injection system on. The client's more than happy with the power we've achieved, so he doesn't have to worry about water injection. We can switch between maps on the factory fitted SI drive, and he's going to have a great fun car to drive. So check out our other videos on this particular car where we go into the detail on the built spec and the exact details, and we show you what it looks like. But for more technical info, you can share and follow us and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow us on mrttuned.com.au for technical updates on our power kits, or if you want some of those work done anywhere around in Australia. But on this particular car now, we're very happy to deliver it back to a client. You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and Instagram, but no matter where you are in the world, my name's Brett Middleton. Thanks for watching.